Well, it goes back 40 odd years now. When we moved here, we had no water supply on the place, so we were very fortunate. We put a bore in, got water, and so we needed to put in a reticulation system. And that's when I went to local cold stores, checked out their plumbing fittings. We needed decent sized poly pipe, and they had the Philmac product in stock. So I have to be honest, there was nothing else I was looking at. It was there, it was available, and when you look at them, they were nice and easy to work with. I mean, there wasn't many parts involved. You just got that slider in. Had to have a decent size wrench though, a couple of decent wrenches in that. So they've been sitting in the ground for about 40 odd years. A little while ago, some of our trees that we planted back close to 40 years ago, their root systems have started to get in, and they've started to crush some of the poly pipe. Fittings were good, but the poly pipe was squished. So we had to pull these out and replace them. And so I figured trying to put these back in, and you're adding bits of pipe and that sort of thing, it's too hard. So I've gone for the new generation of fitting. And the new generation is so much easier to work with. There's a bit of flexibility there. You don't have to have everything perfectly lined up and cut to the millimetre. There's a bit of give and take there. And it's great for repairing, because with the new fittings where you can have the ag pipe and the blue line on the same fitting and joining, and using blue line, you've got that bit of movement there as well. So I find it a great product, and the thing that for me ticks all the boxes is it's South Australian and Australian product. It's made locally, and couldn't get much better than that.